This week, inspired by the sea, we are making GoSun crab cakes using the cutest solar cooker, the GoSun Go. Okay, let's go with it. Let's take a quick guided tour first of all around the ingredients. The ingredients. This is a lime, sheesh, garlic, crab meat. This was a gift from somebody, nervous and excited. This stuff, I recommend everyone to try this. It is not like your normal mayonnaise. You're gonna love it. This was from my friend's garden. Thank you very much. Imperfection, just like me. Some breadcrumbs, of course, some arugula picked fresh from the garden, and some chives, also from the garden. So let's get to it. Oh yeah, coffee, very important. Let's take a bowl and crab meat. In she goes, beautiful. Next up, I think we'll take some lemon. Always give it a nice roll to get it juicy goodness. Ha, blunt knife, who'd have thought? Luckily, we're not doing too much chopping. Try to avoid putting the pits, because that would be the pits. Some salt and pepper. Breadcrumbs. Just go easy with the breadcrumbs because we don't want it to taste of bread. We want it to taste of crabbiness. Take a couple of cloves of garlic. You know, even if a recipe doesn't require garlic, I put it in anyway. And we'll take chives. Probably a lot easier to use scissors and just chop it in. Some of our Sriracha. I have no idea how much to put in because I have no idea. It says weak knees, so I'm probably going to be sorry. And some of this stuff, beautiful. 2 dollops. We can always add more. I think that's pretty much it. So let's just break up and combine all of this. And again, you can add more breadcrumbs to bind it together. It just depends on your personal preference, and that's the beauty of cooking. All right, I might add just a few more breadcrumbs to bind it together. I think we could go a little bit heavier actually on the old weak knees. Oh, actually I wish I hadn't done that. The spice is just kicking in. Gonna need a little slug of water, excuse me. Pop a few more chives in. Let's pop these into our GoSun Go. This is enough for at least 2 crab cakes. If there are only 2 people in my family, that is perfect. Should probably got enough mixture for 4 here. Then we've got some delicious brioche buns. All right, let's go to the sun. Here we go. Doesn't that look beautiful? See you later. So we have our incredible crab cakes that we've cooked in the cute GoSun Go oven. Look at these. Oh my gosh, that's got a nice crust and color and browned off. Beautiful. So we're gonna start building up our buns now. I'm gonna show you a little trick though that I learned from somebody else. Because certain people in our family are cutting down on their bread consumption. This is what you can do. Take these little brioche buns and very carefully pull out some of the bread. It gives more room for the filling, and you're consuming less bread, if that's your thing. Take some of the crab cake. Oh, that's hot, careful. Yep. Put that in there like this. Tomato. Okay, I'm gonna add a piece of tomato. Some more of this incredible mayonnaise that I showed you earlier. And kick it up with a tiny little bit more of this. Good luck with that. And then some arugula to finish it off. Piece of chive, and we are ready to taste. Oh, it's hot. These ovens really work. Oh, wow. Watch out for that hot sauce. It says weak knees. It's not joking. Thanks for spending time with us at GoSun. Don't forget to send in your recipe ideas and look at all these fantastic innovative cooking products at gosun.co.